Once upon a time, a man was very much interested in self knowledge, in self realization. His whole search had been to find a master who could teach him meditation. He went from one master to another, but nothing was happening. Years went by. He was tired. He was exhausted. Then someone told him, if you really want to find a master, you will have to go to the Himalayas. There is a monk who lives in some unknown parts of the Himalayas. You will have to search for him. Nobody knows where he lives, because whenever somebody comes to know of him, he moves from that place and goes even deeper into the Himalayas range. The man was getting old, but he gathered courage. For 2 years he had to work to earn money for the journey, and then he made the journey. He had to ride on camels and horses, and then go on foot, and then he reached the Himalayas. People said, yes, we have heard about the old monk. He is very ancient. One cannot say how old he is. Maybe 300 years, even 500 years, nobody knows. He lives somewhere, but the location cannot be given to you. Nobody is aware of where exactly you will find him, but he is there. If you search hard, you are bound to find him. The man searched and searched. For 2 years he was roaming in the Himalayas. He was tired and exhausted and living only on wild fruits. He had lost much weight, but he was determined that he had to find this monk. Even if it takes his life, it would be worth it. And one day, when he was roaming on the mountain, he saw a small hut made of grass. He was so tired that he was not even able to walk more. So he crawled. He reached the hut. There was no door. He looked in. There was nobody inside. And not only was there nobody inside, but there was every sign that for years there had been nobody inside. He was very disappointed to see this. He fell on the ground. Out of sheer tiredness, he gave up the desire to meet the monk, and he gave up desire to experience meditation. He was lying there under the sun in the cool breeze of the Himalayas, and for the first time he started feeling so blissful. He had never felt such bliss. Suddenly he started feeling full of light. Suddenly all thoughts disappeared. Suddenly he was transformed, and for no reason at all, because he had not done anything. And then he became aware that somebody was leaning over him. He opened his eyes. A very ancient monk was there, and the old monk was smiling and said, so you have come. Have you something to ask me? And the man said no. The old man laughed, a great belly laugh, which was echoed by the valleys, and he said, so now you know what meditation is. And the man said, yes, now I know what meditation is. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years by countless people around the world. Yet there is still much confusion around its true meaning and purpose. Some view meditation as a spiritual practice, while others see it as simply a relaxation technique. However, the essence of the meditation goes far beyond these simplistic views. At its core, meditation is a powerful tool for cultivate mindfulness, awareness, and inner peace. It involves training the mind to focus on the present moment without judgment or distraction, allowing us to connect with our true nature and tap into our inner wisdom.